Welcome to another episode of Quick Productivity Tips, where we dive into tips and tricks to help make your digital life easier. Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add or remove a watermark from a Microsoft Word document. Trust me, this is one of the easiest things you can do in Microsoft Word, and you can even customize it to your liking. So let's get started. First thing, we want to open up a blank or existing document. In this case, I'm going to use a blank document. What you want to do is navigate over to the Design tab. Click the Design tab and come all the way over here to the right, and you'll find Watermark. And if you click on this, you'll see there's quite a few options you have available to you. There's some pre-made watermarks, and then the ability to customize watermarks. We'll get into the customization here in just a second, but let's just use a pre-made template to get started. So let's just select this draft. If we click draft, look at that. Instantly added to our document. And as you add more pages to your document, it will just automatically continue to add the watermark to your page. Now, I said you could customize, so let's go back to the Design tab, click on Watermark, and go down to Custom Watermark. Now we have some more options. We can select a picture watermark, we'll do that in a second, or we can do a text watermark. So let's just say we want to update the text. You can put your text in the field here. You can choose the font, you can choose the size of the font, and you can choose the color. Let's say we want to make this stand out a little more, so we're going to pick red. You also have this option for semi-transparency. If you leave that unclicked and click apply, you'll see there still is some transparency to the text, but if you add that semi-transparency, it mutes it down a little bit more. Makes it a little easier to read the document with that watermark underneath. Looks more like a traditional watermark. So now that we're good to go, we click close. Same thing. Anytime we add another page, we're just going to continue to see that watermark automatically added to each page. Super simple way to add watermarks. So let's go back to the Design tab and look at that last option, and that is to add a picture watermark. So if we select picture watermark, then we're asked to select our picture. You can pick from all kinds of areas, but let's I want to use this this little angry man emoji. We'll go ahead and insert that, and if we click apply, same thing. We get this opportunity to kind of wash it out if we want. If I unclick that, it just becomes a little more pronounced. Might be hard to read the text with that beneath it, so we'll stick with that. Click apply, and we have this custom image watermark on our document. Say you have a document now that you have added a watermark to, you've sent it out for proof or edits or feedback from your team. Now you want to make it a final, you want to remove any watermarks that might be on it. Again, super simple. Just come into the Design tab, go over to Watermark, come down to the bottom and just click remove watermark, and your watermark is removed and your document is ready to go. Thank you again for watching. I hope this helped you out. We'll see you again soon. Goodbye.